In today's video, I'm going to share how you can set up partnership ads. This is best for e-commerce brands if you are selling products and you send it to influencers and they make a video and then you can advertise the video, and it's a win-win for both of you because you get purchases and then they get engagement on their Instagram post and Instagram profile as well. So here's a tutorial that you can send to the influencers on how they can create a partnership ad code. You are going to need that code to set up your ads. So basically they need to go to Instagram, settings, business, turn on branded content. Under branded content, they need to tap partnership ads, choose the post that you want to use as an ad, and then generate a code and then send it to the agency. So once you are as the agency, the advertiser received the code, you can set up your ad. So let's jump into the ad account. Inside the ad manager, let's name your ad. Make sure it reflects that it's a partnership ad. And then I also like to have the partnership code inside the ad name. Next, go to partnership ads, turn it on, and then enter the ad code. So at the top, you can enter the partnership code. There's going to be the video of your influencer. Next, you can select a second identity, which is going to be your business, your page. Once you have it, you just need to click done and you can publish your ad once you have the correct call to action and the website URL added as well. So the job is going to be on the influencer to generate the code. Then you go inside and set up the ad in about 1 minute. So that's a quick guide for you today. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.